Ever wondered why yawning seems contagious? Yawning is an involuntary action typically associated with tiredness or boredom. Intriguingly, its contagious nature has baffled scientists for many years. Today, we will explore the various scientific theories that attempt to explain why yawning can be contagious. Interestingly, contagious yawning is observed not only in humans, but also in several animal species, suggesting a deep evolutionary background. The theories we will discuss range from neurological to physiological and social perspectives, each providing a piece of the puzzle. Throughout this exploration, we will delve into the mechanisms behind contagious yawning, such as mirror neuron activation, brain cooling, empathy, and group vigilance. Each theory offers insights into why yawning might not just be a simple response to sleepiness, but a complex, multifaceted behavior with important social functions. Let's start with the role of mirror neurons in contagious yawning. Mirror neurons, discovered in the early 90s, are a type of brain cell that responds equally whether we perform an action or see someone else performing the same action. This mirroring system could explain why we often find ourselves yawning after seeing someone else yawn. It's as if our brain is simulating the yawn we observe, triggering a similar response in ourselves. Studies using brain imaging techniques have shown that certain areas of the brain associated with these neurons become active during contagious yawning. This activation suggests that our brains are equipped with mechanisms that enable empathy and shared experiences, which are triggered by seeing someone else yawn. This theory aligns with the idea that yawning could be a form of nonverbal communication. Moreover, the mirror neuron system is not uniformly sensitive in all individuals. Variability in this system might explain why some people are more susceptible to contagious yawning than others. Research indicates that people with higher levels of social connection and empathetic abilities are more likely to experience contagious yawning, further linking it to the functioning of mirror neurons. Now, let's talk about brain cooling and physiological synchronization. The brain cooling hypothesis suggests that yawning helps to regulate brain temperature by facilitating the removal of excess heat. Yawning increases the rate of blood flow to the skull and may also promote heat exchange with the ambient air, effectively cooling the brain. This physiological change is crucial, as even slight variations in brain temperature can affect cognitive and emotional functioning. Contagious yawning might synchronize the physiological states of individuals in a group, leading to enhanced group alertness and performance. By aligning the brain temperatures of all group members, yawning could serve as a mechanism to ensure optimal functioning of the group, particularly under conditions that require heightened cognitive demands or vigilance. Recent studies have observed increased yawning in situations involving changes in environmental temperatures, supporting the brain cooling theory. This physiological perspective not only explains the mechanics of yawning, but also its potential adaptive value in social groups, suggesting that yawning could be a collective response to environmental challenges. Contagious yawning has been closely linked to empathy and the ability to form social bonds. Empathy involves understanding and sharing the feelings of others, and this emotional connection appears to facilitate the transmission of yawns among individuals. Studies have shown that people who score higher on measures of empathy are more likely to yawn contagiously. This connection is further evidenced by observations in various social settings, where individuals with stronger social ties tend to exhibit higher instances of contagious yawning. The phenomenon is less common in strangers than in people with established relationships, indicating that social familiarity and emotional closeness play significant roles in the spread of yawning. Moreover, research involving neurological disorders such as autism, where empathetic connections are often impaired, shows a reduced frequency of contagious yawning. This not only supports the empathy theory, but also highlights the role of yawning in social interaction and communication. Understanding these dynamics can help improve social behavior therapies and enhance group cohesion in various social and professional settings. Contagious yawning remains a subject that bridges neurology, physiology, and social psychology. The theories discussed, mirror neuron activation, brain cooling, empathy, and group vigilance, each contribute to a comprehensive understanding of why yawning is contagious. Future studies will likely explore the genetic, environmental, and social factors that influence yawning behaviors, providing a deeper understanding of its functions and mechanisms. In conclusion, contagious yawning exemplifies how simple biological responses can have complex, multifaceted roles in social behavior and physiological regulation.